Hi students, good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about nuclear reactor. Nuclear reactor is a device to initiate and control a sustained nuclear chain reaction. The most important use of nuclear reactor is for the generation of electric power from the nuclear reaction. Actually, here nuclear reaction is carried out and hence enormous amount of heat is liberated. This liberated heat is used to produce steam and electric current. This is the basic principle of the nuclear reactor. Now we will discuss how it works in detail. See, this is the diagram for nuclear reactor. So it contains the following components. So the nuclear reactor contains reactor core, fuel rod, control rod, moderator, coolants, pressure vessel, shielding and turbine. Now we will discuss what is the role of every term. Now we will see the reactor core. So reactor core, this is the main part of the nuclear reactor, because the nuclear reaction is taking place here only. Here large number of fissile atomic nucleus like uranium 235 or plutonium 239 pellets are arranged into rods, and the rods are collected together and made into bundles. These uranium bundles are submerged in water inside the pressure vessels. When the atom of these unstable elements are bombarded with neutrons, these heavy nucleus splits into 2 or 3 lighter nuclei with the liberation of enormous amount of heat. It also releases gamma radiations and several higher speed neutrons. These are collectively called as nuclear fission product. The extra high speed neutron which was released in the above reaction will also split more nuclei and more energies are released, and the process is going on. When 1 kg of uranium 235 is converted by nuclear fission reaction, it gives energy approximately 3 million times the energy of 1 kg of coal burned conventionally. So the nuclear reaction is carried out in reactor core. The reactor core contains control rod, moderator, pressure vessel. Everything is placed inside the reactor core. When the reactions are continued inside the reactor core, large amount of heat is liberated. If this heat is not controlled, accidents may happen. So to control the amount of heat released, the control rod is used. So the control rod is a material which can absorb neutrons when it is inserted into the uranium bundle. When the operator wants to produce more heat, the control rod are raised out of the uranium bundle. By doing this, less neutrons are absorbed and hence more heat is produced. To produce less heat, the control rod is lowered and inserted into the uranium bundles. By doing this, the control rod is absorbing more amount of neutrons and hence less heat is released. In emergency cases, the control rod is lowered completely to shut the reaction. So moderator. The function of the moderator is to slow down the fast neutron. When a neutron with 1 millielectron volt kinetic energy strikes with the moderator, its energy is reduced into 0.25 millielectron volt. The moderator should have the following characteristics. That is, it should have high slowing down property, non-corrosiveness, chemical and radiation stability, and high thermal conductivity. Normally, water, heavy water, and graphites are used as moderators. Coolants. So, pressure vessels. It is made by steel and it covers the whole reactor core. Moderator and coolants. So it controls the input and output of the coolant. Here coolants have the major role in the fission reactor. Coolants are normally liquids are circulated throughout the reactor and it absorbs the heat from the fission reaction and utilized this heat for the production of steam. Shieldings. All the above components, that is protective shield, all the above components of the reactor are shielded by a concrete wall of about 1 meter thickness. It controlled the leakage of radiation by absorbing neutron. Turbines. The coolant is bringing the heat from the reactor core and it transfers the heat to produce steam for turbine. Here the steam drives the generator and produce the electricity. Thank you, student.